field groups of the business partners, I mean, in the field groups of the business partners, we will have the customers and also vendors field groups only. See, in ECC, what we have done, okay, we will go to the field status groups and all, and we will check with the each and everything. When we check each and everything, for the company code only, we will have the each and every status groups. Okay, so what is the status group here? Either it is a field status groups of the general data, reconciliation data, and all. Okay, these fields are there. Okay, and we can maintain the each and every field status. I mean, that is, if the payment terms, suppose payment terms field is there. So if we want to make it that payment terms field as a suppress field, we can suppress it in transaction code OBC4. I mean, we will have the transaction codes, right? But when it comes to the, I mean, as for HANA, we can maintain the field status groups with the help of business partners. Okay, for vendors and also customers. And we have done with the customer groups, I mean customer number ranges creations, business partner number ranges creation, assigning of the grouping to the customer groups in S4 HANA. So those things are very, very important. You need to have clear cut idea. Okay, once you don't have the idea on the particular things and all, you cannot post the things. Okay, you cannot post the invoices of the customers, invoices of the vendors, and invoices of the general ledger. Okay, so these things are very, very important. And coming to the point that uh, business partner field groups are more important in the S4 HANA. Why? Because in the business partner is having vendor general data and customer general data, and also they will have the field groups like a company code data also. Okay, these things are very, very important in interview point of view only. What is the path for the field status groups of the business partners? Okay, they will going to ask you like this. So when they ask you like this, what will be the ultimate result? Okay, so you should have some common sense. Okay, for ECC, we have done like this. For S4 HANA, we are doing like this. Okay, so for that one also, I will show you the uh, navigation path for that one. Okay, can you go to the SAP reference IMG? Yes, SPRO. Reference IMG, and everything is same. That is cross application component. We will have cross application component, right? Yes. Can you open that one? And we have SAP business partner. SAP business partner. Can you come down? SAP business partner. Can you come down? Yeah, take out that one. SAP business partner. Okay. And the next one is business partner. Business partner. Okay, and the next one is basic settings. The next one is field groupings. Field groupings are there, right? Can you open the field groupings? No, above that one. Now see, we can maintain here field status controls for business partners of client. Either it is a BP role activity and BP type level. Okay, business partner type levels. So these things are mandatory for us. Okay, so configure field attributes per client. Can you open the configure field attributes per client? Can you open the configure field attributes for client? See, yes. Can you open the configure field attributes for each client? Can you open the field attributes for double click on that one? No issue. Yes. See, now we have seen the BUPA. What is that one? That is SAP business partner. Okay, so can you open the SAP business partner? See, we have already have the SAP business partners, and we don't want to maintain anything. Okay, can you see the fields and all? Can you drag it to the right side? Yes, can you drag the option to the right side? And not this is data only, and here field groups. See, not space, sorry, not specified. Okay, one more option is there. See here, there is a hiding option, there is a required option, there is an option entry option, there is a display option in ECC. But when it comes to the as for HANA, we will have another option that is not specified option. These things are mandatory. So have you got my point, Ishan? నువ్వు చాలా క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసావా? OBC4 లో మనకి 1, 2, 3, 4 మాత్రమే ఉంటాయి. But when it comes to the SAP S4 HANA, not specified option కూడా ఉంటుంది. So when you give the not specified option, automatically, okay, the system will give you, the system will open all these fields. Okay. Okay, so not specified field means what? All these fields will be in a opened position. That is very, very important. So, can you come down? Sorry, can you go back? See, this is one more important point. Okay, so please make sure that this is the exact thing that we are creating. And also, if you don't have the business partner fields, we will have new entries. Can you go to the new entries? I mean, if we don't have the business partner fields, okay, so we'll apply the things. What are those apply things? So field grouping client wide. So can you open the drop down option? ఒకసారి డ్రాప్ డౌన్ ఆప్షన్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే మనకి ఫీల్డ్ వైస్ అంటే క్లయింట్ వైస్ కూడా మనకి ఫీల్డ్ గ్రూప్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఎదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ బిజినెస్ పార్ట్నర్, చూసామా, ఎస్ఏపి బిజినెస్ పార్ట్నర్, ఎదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఎస్ఏపి బిజినెస్ పార్ట్నర్ రిలేషన్షిప్స్, అండ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ position management. See, whatever the field groups that you want, you can just create it in the business partners. Okay, right now we are using the business partner fields and all, right? Okay, no issue. So we are having the business partner field groups. Then why don't we create, why should I create one more thing? Okay, it is not required, right? You can just come back. So when it comes to the client informations and all, so if they mention this business partner field groups needs to have what is that one? Not specified option. Okay, then you can just go to the field status groups and all, and you will specify the things. Okay, these things are mandatory. Okay, you can just come back. You can just come back one step back. Okay, very good. So these are the business partner fields, right? Okay, we have like this. Okay, if we don't have that business partners fields groups, okay, as per the client wise, okay, we will go to the new entries. Otherwise, we will not go. Okay, you can just come back. So, I mean, all the configurations are done. There is no issue. Okay, and you can just cancel this one. Cancel. Cancel. Okay, no worries. Go to the configure field attributes per business partner role. Can you open this one? Can you open this one? Can you open the configure field attributes for each role? I mean, if they don't configure, we can configure. So if they configure, there is no need to create new entries for this one. Okay, so for our business partner fields, field groups, business partner roles, for general data, what I have given you. Can you open the Skype? Can you open the Skype? Yes. Can you open the Skype? Can you go? Can you go up? Can you go up? Can you go up? Yes. Can you take this one? Can you take the picture of this one? Yes. See here, for general data, BP role is what? BP role general data is 0000000. But when it comes to the customer, what is the BP role general data? Okay, AFLCU 000 as per the company code wise. As per the sales data wise, FLCU01. And also for the vendor master data, it is a FLVN00. You will come to know the point. You can just come down. Sorry, open the Skype. Sorry, SAP system. You will know the things and all. You will know the things. Can you come down? Or else, yeah, can you come down? Can you come down? Come down. Yeah. Come down. C, D, E, F. See here, FLCU 00. That is business partner FI customers. The next one is CU01, that is business partner customers also. So what we need to have as per the company code data, we will have one field status group in the business partner as per the customer master data. Okay, can you open the FLCU00? Can you open the FLCU00? Yeah, open that one. See here, can you drag that option? Can you drag this option? Yeah, to the left side. Yes, yes, the left side. Yes, see here, customer area confirmation invoice verification also will be there. Okay, for the business partners. Okay, you can just come back. You can just come back. I will show you the things and all. You don't need to worry. Uh, can you open the business partner customer FLCU01? FLCU01. Okay, see here, customer groups are there, customer multi-ship to orders are there, specified. See, all these fields are required entry. I mean, we have field status groups like required entry, display entry, optional entry, not specified options are there. Okay, so we have, I mean, customer master data has in, customer master data has in business partner, and vendor master data has in business partner. Okay, these things are very, very important. You can just come back. There is no issue. I'm showing you like this. Okay, if we don't have, we can just create the new entries and all. Okay, you can just uh, okay, no worries. Come back. No worries. Come back. Come back. Cancel this option. Come back. Okay. Huh. Can you open the configure field attributes per activity? Can you open the configure field attributes per activity? So go to the configure field attributes for each activity type. Yes, you will see the details and all. Okay, so we have create option, we have change option, we have display option, we have a flag or deletion options are there, right? So can you go to the create of create, double click on that one, double click on the create. Okay. Okay, if you want to create, you can create it. You can just go to the display options and all. Display options and all.
Here there is no display options.
Okay, no worries. You can just come back. I will show you the things and all field status attributes. Okay, can you click on, I mean, tick mark on the 01, that is create or anything. Okay, go to the field groupings. Uh, above there is a field groupings. Above there is a field groupings. Yes. See, if we want to create it, you can just create it. Okay, that is the thing here. Okay, already we have standard things and we don't need to create each and everything. Okay, that is the important here. Okay, the most important thing here is, see, if you want to change the fields, you can change it. If you want to display the fields, and you can just display it. There is no issue. Okay, those things are very, very important. And coming to what we can say, can you just come back? Okay, come. Yeah, remove this. Okay, we will do one thing. Go to the configure field attributes per business partner type. Okay, yeah. Either it is a customer, either it is a vendor. Okay, can you open the configure field attributes per business partner type? Can you open that one? Yes. Can you open that one? Right now we are seeing, see, a 0001, that is for the partner type, that is for the vendor. Okay, and you can just come down when you go. Okay, we will do one thing. Select the 0001. Select the 0001. Okay, go to the field groupings. Go to the field groupings. Okay. Now, okay, you can just come down. Come down. Come down. No, no, no. Here only description, data. Come down. Description, data. Come down. ఈ లైన్ ఉంది కదా డిస్క్రిప్షన్ డేటా ఇదా దాన్ని డ్రాగ్ చేయి అన్నీ వచ్చేస్తాయి ఓకే అకౌంట్స్ పేయబుల్స్ కెన్ యూ ఓపెన్ ద అకౌంట్స్ పేయబుల్స్ yeah company code data is also there okay see vendor company code data will be there and accounts payables data will be there can you open the company code data where is the company yeah double click on that one yes see here company code header data and company code numbers and delete universal currency company code type current company code type details of the screen company codes vendors numbers if you want to display or if you want to make it as a required option or if you want to make it as an optional entry if you want to make it as a display entry if you want to make it as a not specified entry you can just make it okay this is about the field status groups for the business partner okay you need to have more focus on this one okay